Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara and my channel is Bling Girl. I'm so happy that you're all here to spend some time with me today. Today guys, I'm just going to be sharing a little mini tour in my living room. Some beautiful finds that I picked up from Walmart. I'll have my Walmart storefront linked down in the description box as well as pinned to the comment, as well as all the links to these things that I picked up. Guys, these are so beautiful. I can't wait to share. Alrighty, the first piece is this bookshelf. This bookshelf is under $18. It's a rustic oak. It also comes in a darker brown wood. Keep in mind this is particle board, but that doesn't bother me. There was no smell to it. It was easy to assemble, and it does have some rustic touches on it, which I absolutely love. And this was supposed to go into my bedroom, but it is a little too narrow for the space. I was gonna take out the black bookshelf and replace it with this one, but unfortunately it didn't work. But that's okay. What are you doing, Gracie? Okay. So this is under $18, easy to assemble, really beautiful. I love it. It's like a taupey gray, okay? Alrighty, the next piece I want to share is the Scallop Bowl. This bowl is absolutely beautiful, okay? Has the scallop detail around it. It's gorgeous. You can use this for candy, potpourri. You can put like a floral arrangement in here, but me, I just like it to be simple, and I just leave it there like that. Okay, and I forgot what I paid for these things, but I'll have all the links as always linked down in the description box as well as pinned in the comments. Okay, and as well in my Walmart storefront, which is so easy. You just click on that link. It takes you to all of my collections in my storefront on Walmart, and you're gonna love what you say. And this is things that I already have in my home or things that I'm gonna get in my home when I have extra space. Okay, alrighty. The next thing I want to share is this beautiful Pampas grass vase arrangement. Now, this vase comes with it. It's beautiful peachy colors and like off-whites and tans and beiges. So pretty, okay? Love that. I love how that just looks so simple but elegant, but so boho chic at the same time. And I love the aesthetics with this. What do you guys think? Okay, the next piece is this grass plant. Okay, these are under $5. Love this. Absolutely love it. It's a must-have in a boho room. Must-have. In a boho space, you will love this. I love the ridges around the vase. I love this taupey gray. Look at that. It looks like real cement. It's like, and it has a really nice rough texture to it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I just put that there with a little succulent next to it, and I love that. The next piece is this beautiful tobacco brown. Like a picnic basket, I like to call it. Really, really, really cute. I just like to keep my baskets empty. I just like them for texture and detail. And I love what they add to a space. Okay, love the grommets on it. So pretty. Alrighty guys, so don't mind the boxes. Those are going back for UPS. So down here, I just put another little plant. This is a dogwood plant. Isn't that gorgeous? That's going to also be in my storefront and linked. And here is, you guys have seen this. Okay? So that's what I did there. And then that's what I did there. This is a tea plant from Walmart. And I put that next to my teapot on some decorative boxes. Daisy arrangement with wildflowers is also brand new from Walmart. So I just put them in my farmhouse vase from Walmart. I bought that a couple years back. I love these. So I put them, it's a one full bunch. I believe it's under $5. And then I dressed it up with some lighter green wildflowers as well. I love that for spring and going into summer. I don't remember if I shared these or not, but those are my eucalyptus plants that are also from Walmart. Those are also already in my storefront. So are these cement succulents. You get 3 of them. Okay. And this Hello Sunshine, that's also from Walmart. This is from Walmart. I believe this is in my storefront already. And that's the other succulent vase. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know what that was. That was sharp. Okay, I think... Oh, I'll bring you over to the other side. And this is where I put the other ones on the other side of my room. And I just put some greenery around them. My little bear says be kind. My little lantern. And that's how I did that. Alrighty, those are just the simple things that I did in my home for going into summer. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And I will be back on here real soon. I have a ton of hauls coming. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are brand new to my channel. And let me know in the comments down below if you are brand new so I can welcome you myself. Okay, guys, so what do I say? You are beautiful inside and out. Never forget that. God loves you and I love you. And have a wonderful, blessed day. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.